How to record screen on iPhone in a better way. Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you a better way to record the screen on your iPhone. So let's get started. Okay, the application you need is called Awesome Screen Recorder and you can download it for free from the App Store. Once the app has downloaded, open it. Now, most of you will probably say, but the iPhone already has a built-in recording system. Yes, that is correct. But you don't have any control over the recording when you use that option. If you look a little closer inside this application in the upper part, you can choose how many pixels will be the recording you make. Then the number of FPS that the recording will have. Also select bitrate. If we look in the lower part of the screen in the list, we can see various options. So we can add the face cam of our screenshot. We can also add a voiceover over the recording. Or we can turn the recording into a GIF, which can be very useful. When you set everything as you wanted, just tap on the record button and then on the start broadcast button and start recording. This is all. If you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, greetings.